Don't mind me.
Yeah, to me it's like
snacking in between takes. So you guys, it is day 3 on set. And we're knocking out some talking videos. This is gonna be like videos to introduce each workout, explain what the workout is, etc. So I'm gonna ask Paige to film some behind the scenes. So you can see what's going on. I can't wait for this program. It's gonna be amazing. Oh my gosh, guys. So we are at our lunch break on day 3. We just finished filming all the introduction videos for phase 1 and 2. And after last night, I didn't update you guys, but like last night we did some talking stuff. And I was just so exhausted after the whole day. And I was on low carbs that I just had a brain fart and I couldn't do it. And it was so hard. And I'm like, fuck, they think I'm bad. Like sometimes you just get in these moods where you can't talk to a camera. It's weird. Like sometimes I'll pick up my camera for a YouTube video and fire it off no problem. And other times I'm like, there's no way I'm recording today. And I had one of those times last night, which was the first time doing a talking video for them. And so I was all up all night worrying about it and stressing. But luckily today I got in front of camera and I was totally fine. Thank you, dear Lord, baby Jesus. So I just wanted to share that.
Sorry, since we're back to standing up, Steph, and since you're so focused right there.
Okay, thanks. Scoop this up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I got that on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I walk around and life out.
It's just how it happens.
Can I just have you take one step forward, please, Katie? Good. Oh my God. Okay, ready?
Yep.
So when I say action, you can start. Okay, and action. Sorry, keep going, a couple more. Here's a burpee. Oh, shit.
Those look fun.
Nice. Now out of push it.
Two more and then you're out.
And that is the kettlebell sumo deadlift.
You got a rest?
I'll just do one more rep and then out. Go for it.
And that is the kettlebell sumo deadlift.
You try not to laugh. You just got a bite taken in it. You didn't see it, but it was a shark bite, which is Katie's dream. Shark bite.
It's a wrap. Okay.
I didn't know what to tell you.
We are headed to the roof to film some B-roll with my foam roller. Wow. So pretty.
Disco girl is here. Hi. It's kind of cold.
Look at that, what you do. Falling. Anything that's standing with those. Look how pretty that is. Something to be standing.
Is the dancing good? It's really good. You guys lucked out with phenomenal weather.
You're good.
Tag me. Alright, Katie, look at that over there. What building is that that's like all lit up, like House of God? What is that? That's like, I've never seen that.
You can just go through a flow, probably. Just do a few salutations, yeah.
You're recording?
Yes. I don't know full solo. I think it's pretty good. Okay, one more, yep. That was great. That was perfect.
You look
Maybe one that's just, eyes.
That's so. I love the video.
Okay, let's have you, when I say action, just walk right past, actually, right, you can just walk right through the penis. Okay, ready, and action.
Are you cold?
You good?
Better work all day.
Okay, let's take a look. See, we got this one. Yeah, let's have you let's have you lean against the railing. Let's back to you. Can you back a little bit more, Brady? Okay, ready? And go for it.
I'm Katie Corio. I'm a licensed sports nutritionist, an expert level personal trainer, and I have my bachelor's degree in kinesiology from San Diego State University. I've paired up with Oxygen Magazine to create a 60-day exclusive training and nutrition program just for you. Growing up, I did every sport under the sun until I got to college. I didn't exercise, I didn't eat well, and I just started feeling overall unhealthy. That's when I decided to start getting into fitness and eating better. And in the middle of all of that, I actually was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis. My doctors told me at the time that I wasn't allowed to train, and they wanted to put me on all of these harsh medications. So I took my own route of self-help, and I learned about how changing my diet could really help my symptoms and turning my life around into a healthier version of myself. By adopting this healthy lifestyle, not only has my body changed for the positive, but I feel more confident, I speak with more deliberation, I have a feeling of more purpose in my life. I want you to experience the same life transformation that I have experienced through fitness, and that's what I designed this program to do. My 60-day program is broken into 3 phases, each one lasting 20 days. Each phase is going to be more challenging than the phase before it, and we're going to build on what we learned from the previous phase as we progress through the program. This program is for people at all fitness levels. I break down each exercise, where you should be feeling it in your body, what muscle it targets, any modifications you can do if you can't do it, and ways to challenge yourself. These workouts can be done anywhere. You don't need to belong to a gym to do them. We have minimal equipment and all the equipment you could buy at your local store. So not only is this program for training, but I also offer nutrition as well. We have a sample meal plan, grocery lists, different recipes that are my favorite, and all of these nutrition tips for you to help you succeed. My hopes is that by the end of this program, you will have adopted healthy lifestyle choices that are gonna last you a lifetime. You're gonna feel amazing positive changes, both mentally and physically. I'm positive you're gonna love this program, and I'm so excited to help create a healthy new you.